Gutter Boys!
Hello, we're the Gutter Boys. My name's Torin. I'm a conservation biology major.
My name's Dean. I'm a natural resource tourism major.
And my name's Charlie, also a natural resource tourism major.
For this project, we were given 17 different global goals that all focused on sustainable development. And as a team, we decided that we wanted to focus on life underwater, and more specifically, how can we reduce pollutants in freshwater ecosystems like the Poudre River that flows through Fort Collins.
And in order to find a feasible prototype and solution to this problem, our team used the Crazy 8 sketch method to figure out a way where we could all come together and agree on one specific product that we could make.
And yeah, so the Crazy Eights process was super beneficial for our team. We were able to come up with a lot of prototypes. Mainly though, we came up with this prototype where the road is banked and it goes into some sort of catch or collection system so that all oil runoff or pollutant has zero chance of entering the river.
Whoa. Hate to cut you off there, T. Our team also used the how might we questions to answer how might we stop water pollutants from getting into the waters in our local ecosystem. And through this process, we used a lot of brain power and came together as a team to really figure it out. Now let's get back to that premium Gutter Boy swag.
Yeah, and in this prototype that we came up with, we thought that the road should be banked enough that whenever there was some sort of rain or water on the road, that it would flow into this collection ditch, but not too banked that it would become unsafe for drivers.
Yeah, and this collection ditch would be placed on the end of the road so that when it rains, the pollutants that would usually go into the water would go into this collection ditch and go down the road into a waste collection facility.
And something else that we were planning on implementing to ensure safety of drivers is that because the road is banked and it might be some unfamiliar traveling for drivers, we wanted to put a fence or a barrier up so that it was all good.
So the Gutter Boys just kind of did things in really random places because we're the Gutter Boys.
Yeah, we don't really care.
We don't really care. We know what we want. So we're going to continue to talk about this.
And in our interviews that we conducted, we found that most people thought that this was a pretty intuitive design, and that the people we talked to believe that this would be a feasible solution for pollutants in freshwater ecosystems.
And yeah, throughout our process, something that we wish we could have done better was create something easier to implement into the Poudre ecosystem, and something that's 3D and actually tangible in order for us to convince government agencies to give us the funding in order to implement this idea. Thank you.
This has been a Gutter Boys classic.